I would like to invite Dr. Lee on the stage. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, climate change is a really big challenge for us. This is not a simple issue. This is the facing of all humanities. This climate change need of this, such as our activities on this, we need very bold and decisive actions. This action might need some support of these emerging technologies like AI or blockchain or IoT. Nowadays, many new technologies have enough certain capabilities to help how we can address of these climate changes, some impact of these climate changes. So nowadays, ICT is everywhere, especially IoT. Because of this IoT, ICT everywhere, which means everywhere data produced. Whatever we use of these ICT devices, this data is produced. So if we can utilize of this data very well, we may have some of enough capabilities to visualize of this all the Earth's processes over long periods of time. So we may get some of the gaining of this new insight into the behavior of our economies and the societies. We have many opportunities to see like automation to increase our efficiencies and the sustainability. And we are devising with this many more sustainable ways of managing our natural resources. Some of the names are smart energy, intelligent transport, smart agriculture, smart cities. Those of this smart sustainable development is now informed to a great extent advanced by ICTs. So frontier technologies have great potential to support of climate action. But we need common language. We need collaborations. So when we take up these frontier new technologies, we also take into account of their externalities. For example, it's the data centers. We have more and more data centers. Recently, I heard that the Singapore government, they stopped to organize of this data center anymore. They completely stopped of this by the law because this data center assumed so many energy, but very few creation of these jobs for the Singapore, one or two, then only consuming of these energies. The Singapore government completely stopped this organizing of these data centers. This is one of the example case, but every day we have produced more and more ICTs, which means as a consequence, this e-waste, ICT coming from the ICT device, has become the world's fastest growing waste stream. Another problem with this e-waste is normally ICT device produced in developed countries is moving as a second hand, third hand to reach developing countries or some of island countries and finish their life over there. So we have more difficulties how we can clean up this as e-waste. This is not only for the treating of this ICT device. As you know, many of our ICT devices containing very rare materials, rare metal materials. Some cases, it's better than real mining. Finding of gold or finding from the mobile phone or this rare material is an easier way to get real minings. But we lost of that opportunity. So ITU is address of this issue. So ITU standards provide some methodologies to assess the environmental impacts of ICTs. we provide some frameworks for the sound management of e-waste. We assist the recycling of these rare metal components of ICTs, and we provide some mechanisms to optimize the energy efficiency of data centers. So we recently have created a new focus group. Focus group is open for everyone to study environmental efficiency in the age of artificial intelligence and the increasing of this automation and the smart manufacturing. We want to identify those emerging technologies, how this is environmental influence. If we can adopt of AI, that could be raise more energy consumption, we have to take into account seriously. But for the moment, we treat AI, these new technologies, look like a magic solution. But we have to address how those technologies, it has an influence of this our environmental aspect. As I said, ITU focus group is open for everyone. So I really welcome all you to participate of these ITU focus groups. And our discussion this afternoon will touch on these many of the issues of interest to these focus groups. So we are very fortunate to have an excellent line of our speakers. So these sessions will brought us this diverse expert of discussions, and I'm looking forward to work with you, and I expect you have a highly interesting debate. So having said that, I thank you. You enjoy your excellent session this afternoon. Thank you very much.